Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adjusting a feature in your WordPress site. In this session, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and modify your site settings to enable the spacer block. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in the address for WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on the login area to begin the authentication process. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several login options. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this, a prompt will appear allowing you to choose the Google account associated with your WordPress profile. Select the appropriate account to proceed. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of your WordPress site. In the dashboard, locate the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the WordPress site editor, where most customization tools are available. Inside the editor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a set of 3 dots. These dots open a menu containing additional configuration options. Click on them, then choose Preferences. Within Preferences, navigate to the Blocks category. This section lists the various blocks available for your site's design. Scroll through the list until you find the spacer block. If the spacer block is currently disabled, you'll see a toggle that's switched off. To enable it, simply switch the toggle on. Once enabled, the spacer block will appear in your block options, allowing you to add spacing between content areas wherever needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the spacer block in WordPress. This small adjustment gives you more flexibility in controlling layout and design, making your pages cleaner and more professional. Enjoy customizing your site with this feature now active.